Welcome to South Aussie Shooting Channel. Today we are reviewing the mini humidifier. This is off eBay. This is what I bought for my safe, for the moisture and so it wouldn't rust my firearms. These are about $24.95 on eBay from Australian seller. And these are rechargeable ones with little holes here that absorb moisture, and these little beads up inside here change colour. At the moment I just recharged it. It'll take about 11 to 15 hours to charge, and doesn't have any LED or anything to indicate that it's charging. Plug it in with this cord here up the top, and it will change colour from pink to purple to blue, and requires no batteries except 240 volts. It's odourless, non-toxic, ideal for any area that is damp. You can use this any direction. Just flip it upside down. Just recharge it. It's actually warm to the touch. It says here 230, 240 volts, 50 hertz, 25 watt. And on the back it's got a little bit of information. Normally it's kept in like wardrobes and stuff, in your shoes, so nothing gets the mould on it or anything. So it's eco-friendly, rechargeable mini humidifier, protects clothes and valuables from mould and mildew. Moisture absorbs excess moisture. Ideal for cabinets, wardrobe, drawers, bookshelves, any area that gets damp. Perfect for caravans, motorhomes, boating and more. Removes the moisture from air. Moisture gauge on the front indicates when it needs to be recharged. Colour indicator window, blue for dry, pink for wet. No wires, simply plug it in, recharge it overnight. No batteries required. Easy to read indicator, pink when it needs to be recharged and blue when it needs to be used again. The power cord included. Spill free and non-toxic. Prevent damage to anything you are storing. Contains 100% renewable non-toxic water crystals. And as I said, it takes about 11 hours to recharge. This lasts about, I'd say, 4 to 5 days without a charge. So I'd just say weekly recharge it. I've been doing that. This is my second time that I've recharged it already. Just sits inside the shelf. Just plugs in there like that. Keep it with this up. Plug it in. When you're ready to take it out, unplug it and shove it in wherever you are storing it. Normally these are about $50 to $60 online or at a gun shop, so you just buy them on eBay. They do the same job. It's fairly big, it's not small. Like I said, you can use it any sort of way, direction, and protects you from all the moisture and rust in your firearms. So just keep them all oiled up, and this will take care of all the excess air and stuff that gets in there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.